Let's start off with the first name.
Marge.
Okay. Main symptoms when you came? Stuffiness. Had the cough, if I remember right.
Coughing.
Did we have the pressure in the head? Yeah. So was it a headache, would you call it, or just pressure?
I had a headache.
Headaches from them. Okay. And then stuff you couldn't do. Well, you couldn't breathe good, right?
Yeah.
That was part of it. I don't know if you could think straight or not. Sometimes when you got a headache.
I could always straight.
Good.
I was straight on that.
That's good. And then some other treatments you had tried. Over-the-counter nasal sprays. Pills.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'd get pills from the doctor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For like sinus stuff.
Yeah. Right.
Yep. Let's see, treatments you did with us. We did the balloon treatment. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And things we can do now. The reverse of what we had. We don't have. I mean, once in a while, you said you had a little pressure today, but most of the time that's been gone.
Yeah.
Cough's gone.
Breathing a little better.
Breathing better. That's all good stuff. Then, if you're glad you came to see us. We hope that's a yes, obviously.
Yes, that would be right.
Good.
Wonderful.
Awesome, right?